Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix death wobble in your Jeep Gladiator. Death wobble is a terrifying and dangerous condition where your Jeep's front end shakes violently and uncontrollably, often at speeds above 45 miles per hour. It is not just an annoyance. It is a serious safety concern that demands immediate attention. We will go through the common causes, how to diagnose them, and the steps you can take to resolve this issue, ensuring a safer and smoother ride for you and your passengers. Many components can contribute to death wobble. Often, the primary suspects are worn track bar bushings or a loose track bar bolt, which allows excessive movement. Other common causes include damaged tie rod ends, a failing drag link, or even improperly torqued wheel bearings. Unbalanced tires, especially larger ones, can also exacerbate the problem. We will also look at how worn ball joints and control arm bushings can play a significant role in this unsettling phenomenon. Diagnosing death wobble requires a systematic approach. First, safely lift the front of your Jeep off the ground using robust jack stands. Then, with a helper, have them gently turn the steering wheel back and forth about 1/4 of a turn while you carefully inspect the steering and suspension components. Look for any visible play, looseness, or movement in the track bar, tie rod, and drag link. Also, check for worn ball joints by prying up on the tire with a pry bar. Once you have identified the problematic components, the solution is to replace them. Ensure all bolts, particularly the track bar bolt, are torqued precisely to the manufacturer's specifications, which is often around 125 foot-pounds. For long-term prevention, consider upgrading to heavy-duty steering and suspension parts. Regular maintenance, including proper tire rotations and wheel alignments every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, is crucial to keep your Jeep Gladiator driving smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.